Beko dishwashers are popular appliances worldwide, known for their reliability and efficiency. However, like all electronic appliances, they sometimes encounter issues that require a reset to restore proper function. There are three main types of resets available for Beko dishwashers, each designed to address different kinds of problems. Understanding which reset to use can save you time and prevent unnecessary service calls. The first type is the soft reset, also called a program reset. This is the most commonly used reset, taking only 3 to 5 seconds to complete. It cancels the current wash cycle and clears temporary errors that may have occurred during operation. The second type is the hard reset or factory reset. This more comprehensive reset takes 10 to 30 seconds depending on your dishwasher model. It restores all settings to manufacturer defaults and is used for persistent issues that a soft reset cannot resolve. The third type is the control panel reset. This addresses display malfunctions and unresponsive buttons. The specific button combinations vary by model year, making it important to consult your user manual for the exact procedure. Here you can see a typical Beko dishwasher control panel. The program selection dial, digital display, and various function buttons are the key elements involved in reset procedures. Different model years may have slightly different layouts and button combinations. Understanding which reset to use provides significant benefits. It saves time by helping you choose the most appropriate solution for your specific issue, and it can prevent unnecessary service calls by allowing you to resolve problems yourself. As of 2025, newer Beko dishwasher models feature improved reset reliability and enhanced diagnostic systems. These improvements have resulted in higher success rates for resolving common issues, making the reset process more effective than ever before. The most common reset procedure is the standard program reset, also called a soft reset. This method works for most everyday issues and cycle interruptions. If the standard reset doesn't work, try a power cycle reset. This method completely cuts power to the dishwasher and can resolve more stubborn issues. For persistent issues, a factory reset restores all settings to manufacturer defaults. This is most effective on 2022 and newer Beko models. Different error codes require different reset approaches. Here are the most common error codes and when to use each reset method. Before performing any reset, always follow these important safety steps to protect both yourself and your dishwasher.